Y'all already know what it is. Thank y'all for tuning in to another episode of Wisdom 6 University. And I'm about to get straight to the point, right? So, I'm going to be talking about positive ions, negative ions, right? Positive ions and negative ions is what make up the electromagnetic field, right? And the positive ions are harmful, right? And the negative ions are positive. I know it may sound like a paradox because people use the positive being good and negative being bad. But in the case of ions, positive ions are harmful, more harmful than the negative ions. Okay, negative ion promotes like happiness, good feeling, you know what I mean? A lot of energy, stuff like that. Like thinking straight, you know what I mean? Making good decisions, good air, oxygen, all that. And then the positive ions is the polar opposite of that. It's like a lack of energy, being tired, uh, uh, not thinking clearly, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. Like asthma, it causes chronic illnesses, you know what I mean? It causes sicknesses, the positive ions. And the negative ions combat the positive ions, right? So they go to war with each other. So if you got enough negative ions, you can fight off the positive ions, so to speak, right? And so around your body is what's called a human biofield. And the human biofield is just an electromagnetic field, like I said. All matter in existence has an electromagnetic field around it, all right? Now, the harmful electromagnetic fields are the fields that comes from cell phones and computers and stuff like that, electronic devices. They send because they give off uh, a large amount of positive ions. All right. So if your negative ions are low in your own body, in your own system, in your own air and stuff like that, and then you have other devices and stuff like that to help enhance it, you're more than likely you could become sick. All right. All right. So why am I telling y'all this? First of all, I'm telling y'all this because many people don't understand that that's the fundamental principle of sickness, right? That's the fundamental principle of sickness, and that's the ratio between positive ions and negative ions. All right. So the more positive ions you have, the more sickly you will be. The more positive, negative ions you have, the more health you would, the healthier you will be. All right. So I'm just trying to tell y'all in the quickest way, in the shortest way I can. All right. So now this picture up here is a picture of the hair. All right. So you see, once the left side says negative ions, and and the right side say positive ions. All right. So now, as you can see, it's showing the positive ion side is damaged hair. So it has a negative ion and two positive ions. So it's more positive ions than there are negative ions. Therefore, the hair becomes damaged. All right. So now, on the negative side, as you can see, there is more negative ions than there is positive ions. All right. So it's more negative than it is positive. So you already know. And they say healthy hair under it. So this let you know that the negative ions has to override the positive ions. That's what it's showing. All right. So it's like majority rule type thing. So, so for the most part, that's the whole story, beginning and the end.